Hi, welcome. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. What do you recommend?
Our cheeseburger is very popular.
Sounds good. I'll take one cheeseburger.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. A small fries.
Would you like to make it a combo? It comes with fries and a drink.
Sure, that sounds better. I'll take the combo.
Great. What drink would you like with your combo?
Hmm. I'll have an iced tea, please.
Sweetened or unsweetened?
Unsweetened, please.
Would you like to add any sauce or toppings to your burger?
Can I add extra cheese?
Of course. That's an extra 50 cents.
No problem. Please add that.
Would you like to try our apple pie or ice cream for dessert?
The apple pie sounds nice. I'll take one.
Good choice. Anything else for you today?
That's all. Thanks.
All right, let me repeat your order. One cheeseburger combo with unsweetened iced tea, extra cheese, and one apple pie.
Yes, that's correct.
Would you like that for here or to go?
For here, please.
Perfect. Your total is $11.20.
Here you go.
Your food will be ready in a few minutes.
Great. I'll wait here.
Here's your order: cheeseburger combo and apple pie. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Everything smells amazing.
Glad you like it. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Thanks again. Excuse me, can you help me find the milk?
Sure, it's in aisle 3 near the yogurt.
Thank you. Do you have low-fat milk?
Yes, it's on the top shelf.
Okay, got it. How long is the milk good for?
The expiration date is printed on the bottle.
Let me check. It says June 20th.
Yes, that's fresh. We just restocked this morning.
Great. I also need some apples. Where can I find them?
They're in the produce section next to the bananas.
Are these apples fresh?
Yes, they were delivered today.
Do you sell organic apples too?
Yes, they're right over there in the green baskets.
What's the price for 1 pound?
$2.49 per pound.
Got it. I'll take 2 pounds.
Sure. Anything else you're looking for?
Yes, I need some bread.
Bread is in aisle 5, right by the butter.
Do you have whole wheat bread?
Yes, on the middle shelf. That brand is pretty popular.
Do you have gluten-free bread too?
Yes, it's on the left side in the special diet section.
Great. I'll grab one. I think that's everything.
Are you sure? We also have some fresh orange juice on sale.
Oh, really? Where can I find it?
Right by the milk section, bottom shelf.
I'll take one. Does it come in different sizes?
Yes, small, medium, and large bottles.
I'll get the medium one. How much is it?
It's $3.99, but if you buy 2, you get 1 free.
Wow, that's a good deal. Okay, I'll take 2.
Perfect. You can check out at register number 4. Have a nice day.
Thanks for your help. Hi, do you have any rooms available tonight?
Yes, we do. Are you looking for a single or double room?
A single room, please.
How many nights will you be staying?
Just one night.
All right. Do you prefer a room on a higher floor?
Yes, if possible. I like the view.
No problem. This room is on the 5th floor.
Does it have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is included.
Great. Does the room have air conditioning?
Yes, all rooms have air conditioning and heating.
Nice. Is there a private bathroom?
Yes, each room has its own bathroom with a shower.
Do you provide towels and toiletries?
Yes, we provide clean towels, shampoo, and soap.
Does breakfast include the room rate?
Yes, breakfast is included. It's served from 7 to 10 a.m.
What kind of breakfast do you offer?
We serve both continental and American breakfast.
Sounds good. Do you have a gym?
Yes, the gym is on the 2nd floor, open 24 hours.
Great. What about a swimming pool?
Yes, it's outdoors and open until 9 p.m.
Do you have laundry service?
Yes, we do. You can drop off your clothes at the front desk.
Is there parking available?
Yes, we have free parking for guests.
Good to know. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Can I request the late checkout?
Sure, until 1 p.m. is fine if the room isn't bugged.
That's perfect. Do you offer room service?
Yes, you can order from your room between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Of course, we accept all major cards.
Do you need a deposit?
Yes, a $50 deposit, which will be refunded at checkout.
Perfect. I'll take the room.
Wonderful. I'll just need your ID.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Hi, welcome. Do you have an appointment today?
Yes, I have a 2 p.m. appointment under Sarah.
Great. Right on time. Is this your first visit here?
Yes, it is. My friend recommended the salon.
What would you like to do today?
I'd like a trim and maybe color my hair.
Sure. How much would you like me to cut off?
Just a little, maybe 1 inch.
Got it. Do you want to keep your current style?
Yes, just make it look neater.
Would you like me to add some layers?
Yes, that would be nice. I want it to have more shape.
All right. And what color are you thinking for the dye?
Maybe a warm brown, something natural.
Do you want a lighter tone or a darker one?
A bit lighter, but still soft.
Would you like me to match it to your skin tone?
Yes, please. I trust your choice.
Perfect. Do you want a glossy finish or matte?
Glossy, please. I like shiny hair.
Okay. Do you usually use heat styling tools?
Yes, almost every day.
Then I'll use a protecting treatment before coloring.
That's great.
Would you like me to trim your bangs too?
Yes, just a little shorter.
No problem. I'll start with the trim first.
Okay, sounds good.
Now I'm mixing your color. Do you want to see it?
Sure, I'd love to.
We'll leave the color on for about 25 minutes.
No problem. I'm excited to see the result.
All right, all done. How do you like it?
I love it. The color looks amazing.
I'm glad you like it. That'll be $85 today.
Here's my card. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hope to see you again soon.
Do you need them for running or casual wear?
Just for walking and everyday use?
Got it. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a size 7.
Any specific color you like?
I like white, but maybe gray too.
Sure. Let me grab both colors for you.
Thanks. Can I try the white ones first?
Of course. Here you go.
They look nice, but are they leather?
No, they're mesh fabric. It's more breathable.
That's good. Let me try them on.
How do they feel?
They're okay, but a little tight on the sides.
Would you like to try half a size bigger?
Yes, please. Let's try 7.5.
Here you go. Try these on.
Oh, these fit much better.
Do you like the style?
It's nice, but the color looks a bit too bright.
We also have the same style in light gray.
Can I see that one too?
Sure. Here it is.
Oh, I like this color better. It goes with more outfits.
Yes, it's very versatile.
How's the sole? Is it soft enough for long walks?
It has memory foam inside. Very comfortable.
I'll walk around a bit to test it.
Go ahead. Take your time.
Maybe something with thicker soles.
I have one like that. Very trendy right now.
Let's see.
Here you go. It's also available in beige.
The beige looks nice, but might get dirty fast.
True. The gray one is easier to keep clean.
I think I'll go with the gray ones.
Great choice. They're $68 today.
Here's my card.
Would you like a bag for them?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.
Hi there. Welcome to Energy Gym.
Hi, can I take a look around?
Of course. Are you interested in classes or equipment?
Both, actually.
Let me show you around.
It looks big in here.
Yes, we have 2 floors. The first is cardio, the second is weights.
Nice. What kind of machines do you have?
We've got treadmills, bikes, and rowing machines.
Are there any group classes?
Yes, we offer yoga, Zumba, and spinning.
Oh, I like yoga. When are the classes?
Every morning at 9 a.m. and evening at 6 p.m.
Are the classes included in the membership?
Yes, all group classes are included.
What about personal training?
We have certified trainers. They charge per session.
How much is one session?
It's $25 for 45 minutes.
Do you offer trial sessions?
Yes, we offer one free trial class.
Great. Can I try yoga today?
Sure, there's a class starting in 20 minutes.
Perfect timing. When is the gym the busiest?
Usually between 5 and 8 p.m.
Got it. I'll come earlier next time.
You'll have more space then.
How late are you open?
We're open until 10 p.m. on weekdays,
And weekends?
8 p.m. on weekends.
How much is the monthly plan?
$45 a month, no extra fees.
That's a good deal. I'll sign up today.
Awesome. Let's get you started.